Today I'm showing you how to make perfect Phutu Pap, dry, crumbly, and full of flavor.
You only need maize meal, water, and a pinch of salt. Bring your water to a gentle boil. Add a little salt to taste. Sprinkle in the maize meal, but don't stir it yet. Let it absorb moisture for a moment. Gently break it apart to form crumbs. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover and let it steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Halfway through, fluff it again. Cover and let it finish steaming.
And that's it. Perfect, beautiful Phutu Pap.
Serve it with mas, stew, chakalaka, or anything you enjoy.
Try it yourself and enjoy real, authentic heritage cooking.